Okay, let's start now. So I am talking about these peering connections. For example, if we have two VPCs, VPC1, VPC2, so can we connect them into a single network? Yes, we can do that. So there are lots of use cases for this. Let's say we are a company having one VPC and we are acquiring another company. They also in cloud, they do have one or couple of VPCs actually. So I want to peer them. I want to connect them. So can we do that? Yes, we can do that. So that's easy. We'll see that one. Take this point. VPC pairing. We can connect multiple VPCs together. We can connect multiple VPCs together such that instances in one VPC can communicate with instances in another VPC. Instances in one VPC can communicate with instances in another VPC. So let's call this as a VPC 1. Let's call this as a VPC 2. Yeah, every VPC can have subnets, private, public subnets, right? So let's call this guy as a subnet. Yeah, some subnet. The names can be same in two different VPCs actually. And we do have some EC2 instances here. Let's say EC2 instance. And couple of or other EC2 instances in another VPC. Let me create a separate one. Got it. So can we club these two? Can we connect these two? Yes, we can. But we need to even think of that Cider block range actually. So let us say the Cider block range for VPC1 is this one, 10, 20, 0, 0, slash 16. Right. See, we can have two VPCs isolated, they are separate, they are not connected with same Cider block range. Yes or no? Yes, we can have it. They are kind of local network, a virtual private network for us, right? They can exist in isolated manner with same Cider block. But when we club them, the Cider block range, right, they should not collide, they should not conflict. They should not conflict. See, if we have VPCs like this with same Cider block range, so can we club? We cannot club them. The Cider block range should be different. So probably one is 10.20, the other one should be 10.21 at least. Then we can pair them. So take that. See, simple logic is, can we have two machines with the same IP address? No. So, understood. We should make sure of it. See, many times, let's say you are a company A, I am a company B. So, rare cases, right, I will be using a Cider block range similar to you. Very, very rare, right? Even if it is there, then we should manually create a separate environment with a different, Cider block range and club them. So one is 10.20, the other one is 10.21, that's fine. Both cannot be 10.20 and 10.20, that's not possible. So otherwise, let's say you are building couple of VPCs in your account, then make sure you are not colliding them. Even though today you are not peering them, probably in future there might be a requirement you want to connect them, such times it will be easy. So even if you are building VPCs in your account, make sure they are different Cider block ranges. That's a good practice. So next points. See, while peering VPCs, the Cider block range should not be same. While peering VPCs, Cider block range should not be same. So that's the first consideration we should check. The second point, we can peer a VPC which is in a same account or which is in a different account. We can peer a VPC which is in a same account or which is in a different account. different account. Number 3. See, transitive peering is not supported. Take the point, I'll explain what he said. Transitive peering is not supported. Transitive peering is not supported. Transitive peering is not supported. Mean to say, see, we are connecting 3 VPCs here. So, VPC 1 is connected with VPC 2 and VPC 2 is connected with VPC 3. So, it does not mean instances in VPC 3 can talk to instances in VPC 1, that is not supported. So, we need to explicitly create a peer even for the third option. Take this one. So, transitive peering is not supported. You do not take everything, just take VPC 1, VPC 2, VPC 3. So, if you want to keep it more simple, better do it like this. So, this is what I am talking about. So, VPC 1 is paired with VPC 2, VPC 2 is paired with VPC 3. However, instances in VPC 1 cannot talk to instances in VPC 3. See, this is a kind of transitive, right? It is not a direct. See, there is no direct communication. It looks like there is a communication to VPC 2, from there is a communication to VPC 1, but still that is not supported. You can communicate from VPC 3 to 2, 2 to 1, but not from 1 to 3. Take this point. So, transitive peering is not supported. That is, In the above diagram, instances in VPC1 cannot talk to instances in VPC3. So if that is a requirement, you need to create one more peering connection between these two. Yeah. You have to create one more peering connection for that one. Then it can talk, otherwise no. So you want me to just show how to do the configuration, or you want me to show the configuration plus how to test them? Both? Fine. So let's create two VPCs and let's try to connect them, and let's try to ping a machine which is in another VPC from the current VPC. Okay, let's take the exercise now. Yeah, so this is our exercise. Let's create this infrastructure. Let's ping EC2 in VPC2 from EC2 in VPC1. Yeah, it takes some time. Let's create two VPCs with two EC2 instances. So if you want to ping EC2 in VPC1, obviously we need public IP and internet gateway. Correct. So once you log into this, if these two VPCs are connected, from here you can ping this EC2. That's possible. And let's start creating this demo. Shall I do that? Yeah, let me call this as VPC1. Choose a Cider block range 10.20.0.0/16. So I'm going with default tenancy. So create it. Yeah, let's create a subnet. So create a subnet. Let's give some meaningful name. VPC1 subnet. There might be lots of subnets there. So VPC1 subnet. Yeah, I want it in VPC1 itself. Availability zone, that's fine. Cider block range 10.20.1.0/24. What is next? We need EC2 and it should be in public subnet. So we also need internet gateway for that, right? So next one, let's create internet gateway first. So internet gateway. Okay, we have one internet gateway, but it is attached to something else. You can use it if you want. But anyways, I'm going with the new internet gateway. VPC1 IGW, so internet gateway. So create it. By default it is detached. Select it and attach it to the VPC. Yeah, we want it for VPC 1, attach it. So internet gateway is also there. What is next? Yeah, let's create a EC2 instance. Then let's create a route for that one. A launch instance. So general purpose. So number of instances I need 1. VPC I want it in VPC 1. Subnet as of now we have only one subnet, that's fine. Public IP, yes, I need a public IP. The reason is if I want to ping this machine from my laptop, correct. So I want to ping from my laptop. Then EC2 must have a public IP. It also must have an internet connection. Right. Auto assign public IP. Enable it. IAM, no. Shutdown behavior, no. So remaining things, leaving it as default. Storage. There's some storage there. Tags. Security groups. Let's select existing one. So default, okay, let me create a new one. Let's call this as VPC1 SG. Yeah, this is fine for now. Or I can say my IP. Only I can ping that one, SSH that one. Say review. Yeah, only SSH. Yeah. If you want for example, 8080 or 8080 or HTTPS, then I will add more things there. Launch it. We already have this one. Let's say launch instance. So one side of VPC is done, right? This is done now. First let's try to ping and see whether we are able to ping or not. Badly. Shall we do that? So come back. So it's running. So pick up public IP, open terminal. Right. So SSH, EC2 user, what is that? I'm not able to ping. Yes, we created internet gateway, but it's not added to the routing table. That's right. come back. So go to your routing table from VPC. So go to route tables. Yeah, this is the one, right? VPC 1. This is the route table we need. See the routing? Right now, it just has default route. Add another /0. Put your internet gateway on top of it. Say save. Yes, now your subnet has route for the internet. Via that, I can ping my EC2 instance. Yeah. Yes, we logged in, right? So first check is done. So let's create one more VPC with one more EC2 instance. Let's say create VPC, VPC2, Cider block. So make sure this range is different from the VPC range of 1. I mean VPC 1 Cider block range. 10 dot, let me say 40. There I was using 10.20. 0.0/16. The tenancy default. So what's next? Yeah, do I need again internet gateways, all those things? Not required, right? So I mean, when I connect these two VPCs, so once I enter into this public instance, I can directly ping. I don't need a public IP. When I need a public IP, if I want to connect from outside VPC, right? So that's the reason for this VPC2, I'm going to create a EC2 instance without any public IP. It's going to be a kind of private IP based EC2. Yeah, anyways, we need subnet again. Create a subnet. Let's call it as VPC2 subnet. Yes, it should be under VPC2. What's the range of that? 10.40, right? 1.0/24. Okay, so we are done with subnet also. Next, create EC2 instance in that subnet. Not required, right? See, I need only for this one, right? I am not going to directly talk to EC2 here from my laptop, right? I will log into this VPC1. From there, VPC2 also will be in same network. I can directly talk. Launch instance. Select one network. It is VPC2. Subnet. Yeah. Anyways, there is only one. Public IP I do not need. And leaving everything as default now. Okay, anyways, I want to create one more for this one. VPC to security group. Yeah. Let me open this for a wider range, right? If I put my IP, I cannot ping from the other EC2 instance. So probably I should put the IP address of that EC2 instance. That's possible. Even I can put, what is that? The range, right? Even I can do this one. What I can say is, who can ping this machine? 10.20.0.0 16. This is also possible. So what is this range now? Instances in VPC1. So if you check the Cider block range we gave for VPC1, it is same. So who can SSH? Anyone from VPC1 can SSH. This one. But I'm just opening it for all. Review and launch. Oh, it's still loading. Yeah, so I want to use the same one, same key pair. Okay, so we have two instances, one in VPC1, the other one in VPC2, but we didn't connect them together. So can I ping from VPC1 to VPC2 now? No, we cannot do that. Connection gone. Maybe the connection. My question is this one. We are in which VPC now? VPC1. My question is, from VPC1, can I directly ping instance in VPC2 right now? Is there any connectivity? No. Let's try that one. So if you want to try, right, it also must have that PEM file. So let me copy it. So copy this, go there, so create a file, demo.pem, paste it, right? Yeah, it's there. SSH EC2 user at. I need to know the private IP of that one. So this one, right? So I want this guy EC2 in VPC2. See, you can pick private IP from here. Copy this one. come back to the terminal. We cannot. The reason they are not in same network, they are in different networks now. So I should peer them, I should do the configuration, then I should be able to ping. Next one. So we have two VPCs with EC2 instances there. So next one, let's create a VPC peering connection. So go to your VPC. Next, take the point, steps. So can you see this option, peering connections? Under VPC we have peering connections. Click that. Right now we don't have any one. So create VPC peering connection from there. Take steps, please. Shall I click? So give a name. So VPC 1 to VPC 2. So give some name, VPC 1 to VPC 2. So select the local VPC. We have VPC 1, right? This is the Cider block range of it. In the next section, see there is option my account, another account. That's what I said. We can peer VPC which is in same account or VPC in another account. We can do both, but right now we are trying with same account. See, when you say another account, it asks for account ID. You can check in your accounts. So your account is associated with one account ID. Take that ID, put it there, and also ask them for VPC ID. Then put it there and let's say create. But our demonstration is my account itself. I want VPC 2. So this is VPC 1 details, this is VPC 2 details. So, okay, create VPC peering connection. Okay. What it says here, it's pending acceptance. So I requested for VPC 2 peering, right? I should go into VPC 2 and accept that request. Go to VPC. VPC 2. It's not there. I should get an option. Oh, so here itself there is option saying accept request. It says your VPC peering connection has been established. So to send and receive traffic across this VPC peering connection, you must add routing. So this is important again. Now it says it's active. So the next step is we need to modify routing tables of subnets in VPC1 and routing tables of subnet in VPC2, both. We created. So once your VPC peering connection is active, we need to modify routing table in VPC1 plus routing table in VPC2. Take this point. See, we have all the setup, right? We also created a VPC peering connection. It is also active now. Modify routing table in VPC1 as well as VPC2. Modify routing table in VPC1 as well as VPC2. Shall I go and do that? Routing table. Again, this lost the connection. Fine, that's okay, not an issue. I think there was some question. What is this? Okay. Yeah. Let's modify this guy first. So this is VPC1, right? We need a route to talk to VPC2 via VPC peering connection. So routes. Edit, add another route. So what is this now? 10 dot. So I am giving the Cider block range of the second VPC. 10 dot 40 dot slash 16. See all the machines in this VPC. Can you see this PCX, which is peering connection? So remember, see this is our Cider block range. So this is the Cider block range of the another VPC. Save it. It's done. But still, half is pending, right? We need to do the same for routing table in another one, VPC2. Let's take VPC2 now. Edit it. Same, right? Now it's done. Yes, the setup is ready now. Two VPCs appeared. We can communicate with each other. Shall I repeat the test now? Hold on. Oh, what is that? 0. Yeah, that's fine. SSH, correct, EC, or I can directly say ping also, right? Will ping work there? Yeah, we also can do this one. Again, go back to EC2. Find the private IP of that. Not able to ping. We are pointing to the right one, right? Let's check. Yeah. So let's try to do this also, SSH. Right. EC2 user at 1 second. Bad permissions. Yeah. So we are inside 10.40 now. Yeah, we are connected to EC2, which is in a different VPC. That's exercise. Done? Yeah.